car, the thing. Let's first the internal function. Go. Guys, it is a steering wheel, the horn, the car, pass light, and the light, the air vent, the RPM, the speedometer, and the fuel gauge, ignition switch, the gear stick, the accelerator, brake, and the clutch. That's it. Let's go for the internal and the handbrake. Here's the handbrake. The internal, the tire light there, or the brake light, the signal light. The sliding window. The side mirror. So there, side mirror. Kuan kana the radiator, timing belt, engine, radiator fan, battery, clutch master, the horn.